How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individual and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com, as you can see here. So as you can see, this is the website. We have here a various product. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is just scroll down and click over here on affiliate influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before scroll down to know important information. Like here we have over than 300%, 3000% people, sorry, 3000 people have joined. Also, we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share, and earn. Also, we have here some important information about questions, frequently asked questions. First, we have what is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work. What is Temu? Does Temu run in your phone or affiliate program? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it work? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commission rewards? If you want to answers, all you have to do is clicking over here and you get your answers for each question you need and you want. Like here we have how do I sign up to the program. Simply click sign up button to continue. Once you sign up, you will obtain your affiliate link and code which you can use to recommend new users of to Temu. So let's sign up right now. All you have to do is scrolling down and click over here join now, or scrolling up to the top and click over start now. Write your email here or phone number and you click over continue, or using Google also or Facebook or App Store or other options to sign up. After your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all you will get commission wherever they buy, but they will get also $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also, you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share, and earn. Also, the main way to help you to earn money is using your social media by creating content. You don't need to show your face. All you have to do is use Pinterest for finding a products, pictures, and ChatGPT for description. So let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. List and sell items such as a handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. Providing services, we have offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed services lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. Also, we have affiliate marketing, promote other sellers' product and earn commissions and on sales generated through your referral links, which are social media blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Finally, we have dropshipping. Set up a dropshipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sell solely ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. So after that, we can just give some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. We can use handmade jewelry as an example, like you see. Products we have handcrafted bracelets, necklace, and earrings. Description we have detailed description highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For images, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wear to jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material cost, time invested, and market demand. Secondly, we have offering digital products. You can use online courses as an example. As you can see here, we have product courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For description, we have course syllabus, learning objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access to a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscription based access to course materials. Third one, we have providing service. We can use freelance writings as an example. For service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing, materials descriptions. We have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The first one we have field marketings. For example, we have teach gadgets. For product, we have promote smartphones, laptops, and or accessories from other sellers. For method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links, content write, reviews, this unboxings, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one we have dropshipping. You can use home decor items as an example. For production, we have trendy home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. Supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have create a branded online store showcasing the products. For marketing, we have used social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. Customer service, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. As a conclusion, we can say making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses by following their steps and leveraging Temu's features. You can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.